you should ASO, like App Store optimization of your application, so that people will find easily your
Mm-hmm.
application. Like, and this is a game, right? This is a game, so we should some customize or some ASO, App Store optimization, or keyword friendly some content if you uh, import in this application, so people easily find your application, right? And first of all,
Mm-hmm.
if we go any shop to buy something, and if this shop are customized, or if this shop are designed what we need by this product and what we need, and we will not quit from this shop, because what I exactly want, I can see this is in available there, right? So
Mm-hmm.
my suggestion is, secondly, is if you okay, if you customize this application with some ASO, App Store optimization, with some
Mm-hmm.
SEO friendly keywords, then people easily find out your application. Uh,
Yeah,
and this was my
that's
suggestion.
actually on top on your work. So you deliver the reviews and the downloads with the 5-star reviews,
Mhm.
and then besides that, I have to do the ASO to optimize and then to get higher rankings on the Play stores and so etc.
Yeah.
That's actually what I was looking for to get the ASO yeah, to get a better optimization of the app. But then I bumped into your ad,
Okay.
and I wrote you. So, but yeah, it's maybe we can do the we have to do the both, because I built this app to generate some income from it, and right now with only 12 downloads, that's zero, huh?
Yeah, almost zero, and this is not enough for earning, right?
No, 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 no. I'm not earning anything. So 1 cent or something. So it's very limited. But I have to tell you as well that I just uploaded the game in iOS. Also, we had some major issues with sourcing codes. It was longer on Android, Google Play. It was longer, but I waited to promote or to do some ASO until the app in iOS was also available, and it became available, I think, 3 or 4 days ago. So that's why I'm looking now for to speed up and to get more downloads, and then to get the yeah get more earnings from it.
Okay. So if we do some promotion, like if we go to the people that this is my application, and it's a game, you can use this application. So if they click on the link what we've provided to them, and if came to the landing page on your application, they will see, first of all, they will scroll this, because they want to see some reviews, that what people say about this application.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So before